Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. .172 Hemingway Drive is the mid-century modern dream home you've been waiting for. Thoughtfully updated with over $200,000 of renovations, it's in pristine condition with a phenomenal open living concept and a designer's touch in every detail. So let's take a tour. The exceptional layout offers 4 bedrooms and 2 fully updated bathrooms, including a lavish primary suite. Enjoy a stunning living room anchored by a signature corner fireplace, a chic dining room framed by a wall of windows, and a show-stopping designer kitchen, bright white and beautifully finished with quartz countertops. Step outside to a sprawling backyard designed for effortless entertaining, complete with an expansive patio, a spacious deck, and a sparkling pool. Exquisite landscaping, scenic gardens, and mature trees create a private outdoor oasis. This property has a premier location in Brighton within walking distance to the Brighton Library, the 12 Corners, Highland Park, and Cobbs Hill Park, plus minutes to downtown Rochester. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 172 Hemingway Drive in Brighton, one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialists. Cheers to living here!